Instead of using it in the dishwasher, try it for cleaning. Dampen a cloth, attach it to a Swiffer, and your home will shine. This trick adds shine to cleaned surfaces, prevents buildup of dirt and water stains, and eliminates moisture issues on tiles. Thanks to this mixture, your home will feel fresh. Grab a regular cloth and a Swiffer mop. Prepare a bowl of lukewarm water. Add a bit of Dishwasher Rinse Aid. Any standard one from the store will do. Soak the cloth in the solution, then wring it out well so it's damp, but not dripping. The cloth is now ready. Attach it to your mop and start cleaning the bathroom tiles. Even the high ones near the ceiling that are hard to reach. It removes dust and adds a beautiful shine. Rinse the cloth as needed and move on to the next section. You can also clean kitchen tiles this way. They'll shine like new, and it doesn't stop there. This mixture also works wonders on smooth furniture. Use it to clean tall kitchen cabinet fronts or wardrobe doors. They'll look glossy, just like when they were brand new.